Hey everybody, Jay Mankita, Playful Engineers. Today we're going to make some tracks from strips of cardboard. Cracker boxes, cereal boxes, nice thin cardboard makes the best tracks. So I'm going to take this strip of cardboard and I'm going to place it underneath my folding board here. Just like so, and then I'm going to fold up. Turn it around, fold up again, see how even I can make it, bring it back up, and fold the two sides in, like so, and like so. And there's a basic track right here. There are lots of things that I can do with these tracks. First off, I can take a track like this and I can poke a hole in it or use a hole punch. Then I can take one of these brass fasteners or paper fasteners or brads, whatever you like to call it, and I can push it through the hole, open up the arms like so, and now I have an instant ramp. That is excellent for rolling a ball down. It's also great if I wanted to place the track on an object without it falling off. Then the brad will hold it in place like so. Another thing that I can do with these tracks is I can take a hole puncher, and here's a hole puncher right here. Let's see if here's one of these handy craft hole punchers, and if I turn it upside down I can see exactly where I'm going. I want to go about halfway like so to get that half a hole punch, and that's really nice if I want to make an inclined plane here. I can place a ping pong ball right at the top and it will stay there until another force knocks it off. So you can play around with different sizes. You don't need a hole puncher. You can use a pair of scissors to cut your hole. Now when I push this, because the hole is so big, then there's so much friction on the ball that it doesn't want to roll down. That's why I put this little piece of tape down like so, and now the force doesn't move the track. Now there's an interesting thing here. Let me get back to that in a moment. I want to show you a couple of things that I like to do with tracks made out of cardboard. Number one is I can roll the ball on top of the track because the sides are folded in, so the ball does not sink down onto the flat surface of the track. It stays up here on the edges, and that's a lot of fun. And I can also split the difference. So here you can see that I cut on an angle, so it starts out flat like so on that surface, and then it's going to raise up to that surface like this. And that's a really nice effect that I like a lot. Something else I like to do is to take these these are popsicle sticks, like so, and I carefully break them, being careful not to get any splinters, of course, and then I tape here and here, one popsicle stick here, one popsicle stick here, coming up like that. That's the broken one here, this is the broken one here, but they're taped together and then they're taped to the bottom of the track, and it leaves a nice little clamp right here, so that if you had something that was like this sticking out, that would hold up your track, oops, like so. So you can suspend this on a book, you can suspend this, just bring a book over here. Let's see if the camera angle will allow it. But this will just stick just like so. And then the track has a lot of height, just like that. So those are a few of the things that I like to do with tracks. And thanks for watching. Jamie and Kita, Playful Engineers. See you soon.